What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Hinkle.Fishing. Today we are headed to a pond. We got 3 rods. Got a Jika rig, a hover rig, and a soft plastic glide bait, the new Osakana slide. I'm filming this after we already went because I haven't been able to catch very many fish, so I didn't film an intro because I didn't want to jinx me catching any. But we did catch some fish, and y'all are about to see that. So I hope y'all enjoy. We're catching them and fishing in the waterfalls that are caused by the pond, like the overflow waterfalls that are on these ponds, because it's been dumping rain, and so all these ponds are overflowing and the fish are sitting in the current. So we capitalized on that today, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. And yeah, let's hop right into the fishing. All right, back at it again out here. First time out to this pond this year, I think. Pretty sure. I've caught 2 fish so far this year. Really needed to get my confidence back up. It's pretty cold right now, honestly. We've had a warm couple of days, and that's like this past couple of weeks, but yesterday and today it's just been pouring rain, like non-stop almost. But I couldn't stay in the house, so we launched my rod stock across the truck. 3 baits, or 4 baits really, we're gonna try today. Starting out with the new Osakana slide right here. But yeah, the rain and the wind, look at the waterfall over here. I'll get a clip of it. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, so you guys can see that it's been dumping rain. These ponds are super high right now. Really got to learn the baits. With big swim baits, you really got to learn how to throw them. Like it's obviously not gliding how you want it to glide instantly, so you gotta try out different retrieves, just basically establish how to get the action out of the bait that you want. Really, it's the best way I can put it. So like with this Osakana, I think it's a low float. I think they come out of the package as a floating bait. Not 100% sure, but you can, how I'm fishing it right now. So yeah, it's a floating bait. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it glides the best in like quick little light touches. You can also fish it like it's a straight retrieve, I believe. Yeah, just a nice little straight retrieve. Many ways you can fish it. I'm not gonna stay over here too long, it's super windy. We're gonna go back up in this creek. Go grab that little Jika rig and toss it right here for a second. Here's one of the new setups we're trying out today. Got a Tatula SV right here. This thing's brakes are strong. Dang. Oh! He took my bait. Did y'all see that? Instantly got smoked right there. Took my cross. Dang it. That's a good sign. Not a good sign for my bait, but good sign that the fish are right here. Should have let him eat it a little bit longer. Throwing a Jika rig. I've never thrown a Jika rig before. It's just a different way to fish a Texas rig, basically. You clip on the weight, put a split ring, and then you clip on the weight. Essentially, is the only difference. Man, I hope that was a sign that they're going to be biting today. I really need to catch some fish. Anyways, back to talking. Trying out this is a Caden, Dobbins Caden 744, which it has a little softer tip than my Sobe rod, the 724. That's why I wanted to throw it, because I'm throwing a 1/0 little regular Gamakatsu EWG, so it's a lighter wire hook, and y'all know how hard I set the hook, so don't want to be bending any hooks out, basically. That's my hope. But yeah, it's a Tula SV TW right here. Little red accents with the red rod. This is Jacob's. He just got the reel. He's had the rod. But I also used to have a 744 just like this with a Scorpion MGL. I got stolen, for those of you who don't know. Man, I want to catch a fish so bad. Hope y'all can see that first one, man. Freaking took my pinchers. Got one. Oh, here we go. He's spazzing out. That was anticlimactic. I just yanked him out the water, but dude, I have been needing to catch a freaking fish. Look how pale that fish is. Oh my gosh. Right there on the Jika rig. Man, I needed that. Let's go. Whew. Fish number 3 of 2024 right there. Wonder if this is the same one that ate my pinchers off my bait. There we go. Number 1 of the day. He's spazzing out. Here's what we're throwing right here. This is the OSP Doe Live Beaver with those little heavy flopper claws on it. Got a 1/0 EWG, and then we got a 3/16 ounce grenade clip-on weight, and you have to put a split ring. You have to tie a split ring to the hook so that you can clip on this weight. There we go. We caught one, baby. Let's go. Fish number 3 in the cold wind rainy day. These baits are extremely soft. I bet that was that same fish. Sorry if the wind noise is bad, guys. Still have not got a mic, but I will soon. I will. I feel like they're gonna be pushed up in that creek because the wind is blowing straight that way. So we're definitely gonna go toss this bait around in there. I hope one of them will eat it farther out, because setting the hook and yanking them out the water, that's the only way I've been catching them this year, man. On the freaking Citizen, same exact thing happened. They're eating it right at my feet. Oh, I had another one. Dang it. Dude, they're masters at freaking destroying my bait. Oof. Second fish missed. They're eating it at my feet. I don't have much time to react. Oh, and it's raining again now. Perfect. Let's see if we can get one down here. God dang. Let's go. Another one. In the waterfall, baby. Right there. Right in the top of his mouth. On that Jika rig, baby. Number 2. Oh, I had another one. Dang it. It's 3 baits down, 3 fish missed. Are you kidding me? This is what they're all doing right here, bro. They're all taking my pinchers, man. So frustrating. Here's the baits we're throwing. Go Live Beaver, 3.5 inch. We're down to our last 3 baits. Dang, so I should have 5 fish right now. Missed 3 of them. That sucks, man. And each one of these baits is like over $1, bro. A pack of these is $10. So I've lost like $4. I think we'll catch them back up in this creek, actually. So there's another waterfall that flows in the back of this pond, back in there. So, and hopefully the wind will be less back there. Got one. There we go. Told you there's always fish back here. I mean, y'all probably know that if you've watched any of my videos. Quite a few of them are filmed back here, but there we go. That guy's got some weird markings on him. Pretty beat up. Number 3 though, finally. Let's go. 3 fish caught, 3 fish lost. It's not the best ratio, but I don't think I'm supposed to be dwelling on the ones I've missed. Alright, let's go. Barely feel my hands. Oh, I had another one. Whew, okay, I still got my claw. We're chilling. Still got both my claws. Dang it. How'd I miss him? I really don't know how I missed him, because this freaking bait is torn to pieces. He was a small one though, I could tell. I saw him flash a little bit. Got one. Oh my gosh. Took my bait again, bro. Ugh. So frustrating. I don't think I brought any more craw baits. I might have some beavers in there. Not 100% sure. But, man. I gave them time to eat it. Not sure what I could do differently. Got one. Oh my god. I don't get it. They just gotta be tiny, bro. Really don't get it. My only other fish that I've caught back here, or this year, was on a Ned rig jig back here, and there's like a log in the middle of this creek, and I had to get the jig stuck, and the fish would eat it once I got it stuck and start swimming off with it. I had that happen to me like 3 times before I caught one. I'm digging this dye-wool reel though. I actually like it. It's very smooth. Palms very well. Oh my gosh! Another one! They're just taking my baits. I'm gonna see if I have a different bait in here. Oh, I do. Let's see. Got one. Oh, he's decent. Oh, he's decent. Come here. Come here. Barely hooked. Let's go. Another one, baby. Let's go. It wasn't just a bait. Right there. On that Jika rig. That's the best one of the day right there, guys. On the smallie beaver. Let's go. Oh, I love this. So is that 4? 4 fish. Let's go, baby. Got another one. Got another one. Oh, he's a dink. Number 5. Ow! That's the biggest one right there. Tank. Got one. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh no, don't go in that stick. There we go, number 6. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Look at that guy's back. He got bit by something, man. Number 6, baby. Always gotta find that flowing water, man. Here's the bait we're throwing now. Reaction Innovation smallie beaver, and I got 2 different colors in this pack. There's the main vein color, and then I think it's called Penetrate is the color I'm actually using though. Hope the audio hasn't been too bad for you guys. Finally been able to catch them, man. Whew. Catching fish is worth being out here in this crappy weather, man. 100%. I'll take 3 more casts at this waterfall right here. If I can get 3 more good casts, yeah, like that. Alright, and then we're gonna head out because I'm satisfied, man. Hopefully gonna have some nicer weather this week. I haven't looked yet, but if that sun comes out, I'm gonna be fishing. Or on the days I can get to fish, if it's bad weather, I'm still gonna be fishing, so. Alright. Let's head back out into the wind, man. We'll head home after that. Ooh. Well guys, that made for a pretty successful day out on the water. Driving out of the neighborhood now. Caught 6 fish, I think. Biggest one was probably right under 2 pounds, all on that Jika rig. Got bit on the hover rig twice, but couldn't capitalize. Kind of was sucky. Super crappy weather, man. It's been sprinkling non-stop or pouring rain for the past 2 days, and the wind started picking up pretty good after it stopped raining. But it's like 49, but it felt probably like 40 outside. Well, I do not care, man. I love catching fish. I don't care what the weather's like. That was super fun. That's fish number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of the year. Gonna be tracking all my catches once again. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Nice little easy, simple, actual fishing video finally. First one of the year. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for more videos to come. Hopefully start getting bit on a swim bait pretty soon. Like, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Got lots of content over there to come too. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out.